Welcome to the beginning of a brand new course on price action. This course is meticulously structured to guide you from the very basics to advanced levels in an organized and comprehensive manner. I have designed the content in an easy-to-understand language, especially for new traders and beginners. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your trading skills, this series will provide you with the tools and knowledge needed to understand and trade based on price action. We will dive into the essentials of price action trading, covering everything from candlestick patterns, support and resistance levels, advanced strategies, and risk management techniques. Our goal is to equip you with practical knowledge and skills you can apply in real trading scenarios. We have put in a lot of effort to ensure that every concept is explained in a simple and clear way, making it accessible even for those who are just starting out in trading. I warmly invite all interested traders to join us on this journey. In this episode, we'll explore what price action is, why it's crucial for traders, and give an overview of the topics we'll cover. The stock market operates on the principles of demand and supply. Sometimes we buy stocks, and other times we sell them. However, relying solely on our instincts for buying and selling can be detrimental to our trading account. It can lead to losses, and in the worst-case scenario, wipe out our entire capital. This is why all traders strive to be profitable. Does this mean there's no hope? Absolutely not. We need to follow in the footsteps of those efficient traders and continually strive to become more skilled ourselves. This is the reason I am creating these tutorials, and you are on the right track by following them. There are various methods to analyze the market, such as technical analysis, fundamental analysis, quantitative analysis, price action analysis. Most traders lean towards technical analysis. Interestingly, many technical indicators are derived from the basic inputs of price and volume. These indicators are essentially processed information based on these fundamentals. But, if we blindly depend on indicators without understanding the core components of the market, we miss out on what the market is truly indicating. This is where price action comes in. Price is a powerful tool that, when understood correctly, can help us predict market behavior. The study of price and its action is known as price action. Price action focuses on current and recent prices, market trends, market structure. It is not a magic formula that guarantees instant success or immense wealth. Successful trading depends largely on your psychology and execution, rather than any specific strategy. It is crucial for traders to adopt a trading style that suits their personality. Without this compatibility, achieving long-term profitability is nearly impossible. Trading styles vary based on time frame and risk tolerance, and are typically classified as scalping, swing trading, or positional trading. By dedicating time to learning price action, you can trade without depending on a maze of indicators or tips from others. This approach allows you to trade independently, with a cleaner chart, and make better decisions on when to enter and exit trades. Understanding price action helps traders interpret market behavior, identify trends, and make more informed trading decisions. It reflects market sentiment directly and enables prompt reactions to price movements. Thank you for joining us in this introductory episode on price action trading. Stay tuned for the next episode where we will dive deeper into the fascinating world of price action. See you next time.